Here.
No.
Walk over here.
No.
Wait, ma'am. Do not put your hands on me. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Oh.
Do you understand? Put your hands behind your back.
Gotcha.
What's going on?
Answer my questions first.
Yes,
Do you understand the rights I explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to talk to an
On
attorney?
November 26, 2022, police were called over a small dispute between neighbors. This is what happened when the police arrived at the scene.
What's going on?
So, initial incident, woke up, heard yelling in the driveway, came out here.
In your driveway?
Yeah, in the driveway. The person I described over the phone, 5'5", cream sweater and shorts. She pulled into the driveway with a red Mazda, proceeded to back up to recreate an incident that happened over a month ago. There was an accident over a month ago.
Do you know this
that,
person?
No, we moved here like about a month and a half ago.
This is my friend's car.
Okay.
I was using it to back out so I can go into an interview, and I accidentally hit the car because it's directly behind us.
It's also
Okay.
parked out in the road.
So you were involved in whatever initial accident
Yeah.
this
We
other
discussed
lady's
it, and
talking
he doesn't,
about.
He doesn't care for it. We've texted.
Yeah,
I've
she's-
called my
she's the one making a big
insurance
deal
to
out
make
of it.
sure that he's reassured, and he is insured for his car. And we've discussed it.
Is
Yeah, she's not insured, and she.
I am insured though.
this
I
person
am
involved
insured.
in this? Then?
So this
Is her?
Yeah, she's involved because that happened today.
Wait, today? What happened today? This lady was driving the red car?
Yeah, this lady was driving the red Mazda, which happened, which
I
that,
There's
that
a-
occurred.
Ma'am, will you wait and talk to me just a moment? Wait over there.
I won't, and he won't.
Were you...
He's uninsured, and so is she.
Okay.
No, I'm not. I am
He
insured.
literally, Ryan told me.
Ma'am, did you just... I'm not going to argue. Do you understand? I'm here in charge of this now. Okay? So you need to calm down and listen to what I'm telling
I
you.
am.
Okay? Were you just in a vehicle?
No.
Was this lady
Was
in a
she?
vehicle that just...
He has a ring doorbell. You could see her pulling in our driveway.
Really?
She did back into it or almost backed into it?
Almost. I'm not saying that she did.
No.
She did not hit a vehicle.
This Hyundai is uninsured, and
Okay.
she literally told Ryan Lee.
Let's walk over here.
No.
Walk over here.
No.
Wait, ma'am. Do not put your hands on me. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Oh.
Do you understand? Put your hands behind your back.
Gotcha. No.
Keep your hands behind your back.
Literally, what is going on? For what?
Scamia, give me traffic. Put your hands behind your back and stay there.
What is going on? Don't.
When you push a law enforcement officer, that's what happens.
Okay.
You're 10-15 cents, yeah.
I'm not doing anything here.
Step up. Walk over to my car.
Literally, don't even why you put your hands on me like.
You are being arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, ma'am.
Oh no.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't put your hands on us. Can you unhook you from the other side?
Just put it over.
Listen, I want you to calm down.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't do anything silly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your name? Where do you live at, Sarah?
Mississippi, Virginia, Gulf Florida.
You live in Gulf Breeze.
Yeah.
Where are you
With
at
my
right
grandma.
now? Where are you at right now?
With my boyfriend.
Do you have any pockets on your pants?
No, sir. Feel free to check.
Have a seat right there. You have an ID in your purse?
Yeah, it's in the pocket.
Okay.
Yeah, I come around the corner and I saw
Right?
you in the trash can moving. I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Hey, right. So whose car did she hit?
Who owns this red car?
He's in the house.
She just calls that damage this morning?
The dent on the right, yeah. The one near the fence.
The one on the door handle was already there?
That was a month ago, and that was already resolved. We're going through insurance.
Okay.
She blew this out.
Because, yeah, you backed out of it, so she started throwing a temper tantrum today and pulled up in your driveway yelling at y'all she's going to recreate an accident, something like that?
No, so I woke up this morning because I heard yelling,
Uh-huh.
and she was pulled in our driveway. So I came out here to see what was going on, and she saw me, started yelling at her boyfriend or whatever, and then pulled out of the driveway, took off down the road, and parked down the road. And then she heard me on the phone with the police and took the car and left the neighborhood. I don't know where the car is now. While she was leaving the driveway, she caused the second dent on the right on the vehicle.
Right.
Whose vehicle?
That vehicle, the
Is it the guy that came out the door momentarily?
yeah, it is that guy.
that belongs to him.
Yeah.
So it belongs to him. This vehicle belongs to him.
Yeah.
And she just did this dent here this morning. And that's what y'all were calling about because...
Yeah, I was calling because she's like going crazy in her driveway, and she.
Right. What was she saying when she was going crazy in the driveway?
She was talking about how the other dent happened like a month ago, and that he's freaking out about it and complaining about it, when that's a lie because we've already resolved the issue and it's going through
I have
insurance.
text messages.
Right. Okay. Well, she came up to me and she was yelling at them, and I was telling her, "Listen, I'm here. I'm in charge. You're going to go across the street, and I'll come talk to you in a moment." And I didn't touch her. I just went, "You're going to go across the street." And then that's when she knocked my arm out of the way and hit me with her hand. So I'm going to charge her with battery LEO. So do y'all have any idea where the red Mazda is she was driving?
So she took off and turned around the corner. I don't know if she left. I know there's only 3 streets in this neighborhood.
And did she walk back?
Yeah, she walked back. So I'm assuming, and it was rather soon after.
Okay.
They were still in the neighborhood or right outside.
All right, give me another moment. I'll be right with y'all, okay?
What are we doing here?
All right. Sorry, guys. I have to ask first, did either one of y'all see her hit my arm out of the way?
Yeah.
So, no damage to your car. It was like, was she like threatening to hit your car because y'all accidentally hit her boyfriend's?
No, it's,
She wasn't clear with her intentions. She
Yeah.
just kind of kept saying bet, and then I saw her tap the trash can back up and then hit the other car. And then,
So her car was pulled in here?
yeah, it was pulled in here, and then she backed out and turned the other way.
All right, well, walk over here with me real quick. I'm going to get you taken care of in case you got to go do something. And all you have to do is tell her that she is not allowed on your property, and then you can walk away, okay? Listen to what he has to say.
Ma'am, you're not allowed on our property anymore.
All right, thank you so very much, okay?
This hurt.
Yes, ma'am? What can I do for you?
I'm sorry, like, can I just help?
Can you what?
May I know, like, what's going...
May you what?
I'm sorry, may I know what's, like, the next step?
Oh, I'm going to take you to the Escambia County Jail and charge you for battery on a law enforcement officer. There are laws to protect us. You are not allowed to put your hands on us. And by you striking me and swatting my arm,
I didn't
that...
want that you...
Yes, ma'am. I got it on, but it's all on video camera, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. I know that doesn't count, but I feel like my story deserves to be heard.
Yes, ma'am. You'll have your day in court to tell your story. All right. Any other questions for me?
no.
All right. Thank y'all so much for your time and help, okay?
What happened with you and my deputy? You did what? You acted out?
Yeah, but he was very rough with me too, and I'm so...
Did you not listen to him? What was he telling you to do?
It was all so quick. All I know, as soon as he told me to sit down, I was done. If you can look, if there's any video, you can see how many times he slapped me against that chair. Fell over. I'm so sorry.
You can complain for that, no problem.
I deserve
Put you in
that.
custody and you resisted.
I just want to make sure he's okay.
He is. I told him.
Is there anything else you think you need to tell me or talk to me about?
I just want to be a part of the situation and I want to be close up in there.
I got you. Well, we're probably going to close. We just can't leave the door open, so we're just going to close it up, okay?
Oh, I got to ask her information.
Okay. He's going to confirm some stuff. Not right now.
How tall are you?
That's what we're doing.
5'5" and a half.
How much do you weigh?
Like maybe 130 pounds.
Hair color brown.
Brown, actually.
What color eyes?
Blue.
Do you mind giving me your social?
I don't want to, but I know it.
You don't have to.
I can. I just want to see him.
Are you employed?
Yeah, the same place.
Where
Ryan.
you work at?
Flounders Chowder House. And Virginia Tech, too.
What's your title at Flounders?
Server. And my title, if you were going to ask about Virginia Tech, is Graduate Research Assistant.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. All right, Miss. I need to ask you some questions, but before I do, I have to Mirandize you, okay?
Please don't.
All right. Don't what?
Please don't.
Don't what? Don't Mirandize? I have to Mirandize you. It's the law. Before I ask you a question in reference to those pills that were in your purse, I have to Mirandize you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand each of the rights I just explained to you in reference to these pills that I'm fixing to ask you about?
Please, because I'm literally prescribed them by my doctor.
I know, but I'm fixing to. We're going to talk about
I'm sorry.
that. Answer
I don't
my
know what's
question.
going on.
Answer my questions first.
Yes,
Do you understand the rights I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to talk to an attorney? Okay. With these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me about that? Okay.
I'm really so silent.
There's 3 pills in there. Okay? There's the ones in the Ziploc bag. Prescription for
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about the one pill that was in the zipper compartment by itself? It's like a brown gold pill.
Is it my...
Yep.
Yes, I'm prescribed that too.
Do you have a prescription for that?
Yes, sir, and if it's in my zipper, it just is old.
Yes. Well, it looks old, but the problem is that you don't have the prescription with you, but you have, and I have to determine if I have to charge you criminally for it.
Yes, sir.
Because people are not allowed to possess prescriptions.
Right, no, I'm literally
without the
prescribed 2 a
prescription.
day.
Okay. And I believe you. Okay? All right. Well, sit tight. We'll be gone in just a moment. Okay?
Towards every public citizen that you have to fight for? Do you have ill will? Public servant has so much ill will towards the society that you literally live in? You see those stickers on that guy's car? Is that how you decide who you're going to pull over? Some political? Yeah? Yeah, I know. You ain't got to tell me twice. Why were you at CVS Pharmacy earlier?
The suspect was charged with
She was charged with 1 count of battery on police officer and resisting arrest without violence. In the end, she pleaded no contest in both counts.